Hello and welcome to Rainbow Phonics, a structured literacy program here to support you with implementing a science of reading approach for grades pre-K through second grade. Today, I want to show you how to access our free slideshows. We have over 300 presentations ready to go with more on the way. These slideshows follow the Rainbow Phonics scope and sequence. Each presentation matches with the lessons from our teacher planners. This will be a quick tutorial on how to access and use these slides. First, you'll want to go to rainbowphonics.com, as you can see here. Then you're going to look at the top and click on resources. You'll see slideshows at the top. We also have other product resources and teaching resources available. Click on lesson slideshows to access the free presentations. So here you can see that we have tabs for each grade level: kindergarten, first grade, and second grade, which is coming soon. Under each grade level, you will see these are broken down into phases. These phases follow the Rainbow Phonics progression. Kindergarten includes phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4. First grade includes phase 5, phase 5.5, and phase 6. You're going to click on the grade level and then select the phase that you want. Then click on the slideshow you want to open. So I'm going to click on kindergarten, phase 2, and I'm going to open up lesson 13. So as you can see here, this is grade K, phase 2, lesson 13. You can use these slideshows directly from the website. You have arrows here on the slide, as well as here at the bottom to click through the slides. So I'm just going to very quickly click through to show you all the slides that are here, and then click back to the beginning. You also have some options here on the slides. You can click these 3 dots. You have speaker notes. You can turn on the laser pointer to highlight important things on the slides. You have a digital pen that you can underline and circle directly on the slides. You can also then erase any of those markings that you have. You can also change the color of the digital pen as well. You can also use these slides in full screen. That way, if you're presenting on the board, it can take up the entire screen. The tools are still available when you are in full screen mode. To get out of full screen, you're just going to hit escape on your keyboard. If you prefer to use your slides in Google, look at the bottom here where it says Google Slides. When you click on that, it will allow you to open them in your Google Drive, and you can save a copy and you'll be able to edit and add in slides of your own. If you need to get back to the slideshows, you can just click here at Lesson Slideshows at the top, and it'll take you back to the main menu with all of the slides. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please email me at jessica@rainbowphonics.com. We hope you enjoy these free slides from Rainbow Phonics, and stay tuned because we have more free resources coming. Have an amazing day.